of Togo. After the end of World War I, there was a discussion of having the colony be administered by Czechoslovakia. However, this did not happen. Togoland was separated into two League Nations mandates, administered by Britain and France. After World War II, these mandates became UN trust territories. The residents of British Togoland voted to join the Gold Coast as part of the new independent nation of Ghana in 1957, and French Togoland became an autonomous republic with the French Union in 1959. Independence for French Togoland came in 1960 under Sylvanus Olympio. He was assassinated in a military coup on 13 January 1963 by a group of soldiers under the direction of Sergeant Etienne Eyadim Nassimbe. Opposition leader Nicolas Hrunsky was appointed president by Insurrection Committee, headed by Emmanuel Bonjoli. The slave trade began in the 16th century, and for the next 200 years, the coastal region was a major trading center for Europeans in search of slaves, earning Togo and the surrounding region the name the Slave Coast. Togo is located in Africa, the poorest continent in the world. The labor forces of Togo are agriculture 65%, industry 5%, services 30%. The agricultural products are coffee, cocoa, cotton, yams, cassava, corn, beans, rice, millet, sorghum, livestock, fish. Industries in Togo: phosphate mining, agricultural processing, cement, handicraft, textiles, beverage. The exports: 987.1 million. Country comparison to one is the 159th with 1.03 billion. Although Togo's foreign policy is no longer, it has strong historical and cultural ties with Western Europe, especially France and Germany. Togo recognizes the People's Republic of China, North Korea, and Cuba. It reestablished relations with Israel in 1987.